Damn, you actually won.
30?
You guys got it.
Got him.
Yeah, thought so.
Give me my heavy sniper.
You ready? Let's go.
Turn off the Wi-Fi on the phone.
Shaking. Shaking in progress.
Yeah, really bad.
Oh, I got the other teammate over here. Gonna shake him again.
Alright.
Jonathan, quit playing, bro.
Shots, shots.
You getting shot at, Falcon?
Yeah, shots.
Oh, in the water. Southwest. Get in,
You're
Falcon.
alone, bro.
Get in, Falcon. I'm gonna take the chopper and dip before they shoot you. Falcon, get in. You're frozen, Falcon. Get in. Oh my God, Falcon. Get in, Falcon.
He's lagging.
Oh my God, he's just standing here. Falcon, get in, quick. This is crazy. No, how did you fall out?
I
Wow.
didn't fall out.
To your left. Get out, Falcon. We're fighting it now. Knocked one. Shaking.
But I'm like fucking far from you guys.
Across the water, Martinez. That was a heavy sniper.
Alright. Get the res. Hopefully. Did we get? Okay, we already got it. Heavy sniper across the water, huh? I'm gonna get in the helicopter and I'm gonna ram it into him, okay? Where'd the helicopter go? I also might be getting shot from some other direction. Alright, I lost the helicopter.
21.
Going for the boat.
21.
22.
Damn, you actually won.
30?
You guys got it.
Got him.
Yeah, thought so.
Give me my heavy sniper. Storm. How we doing?
I think we're doing
All
fine.
people over here.
I'm like not with you guys.
Still?
Yeah. Well, you guys had handled that fight. Oh, I got footsteps. But my life. Oh shit. Bitch. Oh. I got a squad on me.
I guess we're coming. Anybody got a launch pad?
No.
Oh, yep. Somebody put one down.
Anybody got AR ammo?
Yes.
Oh yes, if you come over here, I do.
Ooh. Didn't make it very far. We are coming. You have to hold.
Oh, I fell down.
You behind me, Falcon?
It's just one more other guy.
I'm behind you.
There you go. There might be shooting behind us, too.
It's just one more guy.
Oh
I
yeah.
finished his partner.
We got a team coming in behind us, too, so we're going to have to finish quick. Oh my God, I'm almost there. Where's he at?
Right here. Just one more guy. He's low too. Oh no. There's one more. Dude, we're far. Did you guys bring the chopper?
No, we lost it at
No.
some point.
There's a med. Oh, that's the medkit you saw.
You've got a great idea. You know it'll work. Everyone else believes in you. You
Oh,
opened
it's touching
19
me,
credit cards to make it
Martinez.
happen. Tito Beverage
Too
did,
bad.
and now we're
It's my
drinking
med
Tito's
kit.
handmade vodka. 100% corn and certified gluten-free. Tito's handmade vodka, distilled and bottled in Austin, Texas. 40% alcohol by volume.
Oh, shots to my right.
Crack them.
killed him.
That's my ass. Nuh-uh.
Yeah, 126.
Fuck, dude. Oh, you got I got footsteps right here. He has a boom bow. One of them's cracked.
Oh. Behind you, Martinez. Behind you.
Did I get him?
You got her.
Enemy, northwest, across the lake. In the
Oh, I see
trees.
anyone over there?
2 of them.
Oh,
Oh
killed
my
one.
god. 1 down. I just saw him explode.
Yeah,
It's gonna be the air vent.
air vent, and then from there they just have to go to us.
Ooh, gliders.
Yep, they're out.
Told ya.
Right in the
Ooh,
grotto.
now they're gonna team me. I'm in trouble
Where are
now.
they? Where are they?
They're outside now. Above me.
No, go to them, Jonathan.
Broke one
Okay, if you
shield.
die, nobody's getting you, alright?
Oh, he's got the minigun on me.
I'm going up.
Knocked one. Oh, second one has the minigun. Both of them are up here. They're getting the res. They have double minigun.
bro.
I'm going down so I can get, I don't know, alive
Come down,
maybe.
come down, I'll come down. Yeah, that's fine.
They got double miniguns
Jonathan's
up
gonna
there.
push. Christian, where are you, bro?
He's stuck in there. You know where he's at. Ooh, we made it out though. I see him flying.
Yeah.
They got the
going
high
for the
ground
res.
with double miniguns. This is gonna be interesting.
Jonathan's up there too. Oh, I see one down here. 64? I don't know what the fuck he has. Right here.
Trying to medkit.
Oh, he got high ground on me now.
Give me 3 seconds.
Where'd he go?
Right here, he's right here. Both
He's
of them
falling
are-
down. He's falling down. One's knocked.
Jonathan knocked
Full
one.
kill.
Right here.
Nice.
Woo!
Back to
Let's go.
back to back.
Bro, I love this communication.
How many kills we have, guys?
I don't know, but I had 6.
I had 6.
That's 12. Jonathan had 5.
17.
17. Christian?
1.
Keep myself progressing, cause I creep around suppressants. I don't sleep enough, you guessed it. Every second is a blessing. Got no time to be depressed. On this grind, you always stress, so I work harder than the rest. That always said to do my best.